The S7 combines are equipped with an innovative tech stack, including advanced automation systems that redefine the combine experience. You'll enjoy unprecedented levels of comfort, greater efficiency, and exceptional grain quality. All backed up by John Deere precision ag technology, powerful connected support services, and world-class dealers. The single rotor design is renowned for its multi-crop capability. It makes the S7 the perfect choice for both arable farms and contractors. One combine, all crops. Easily identified by their iconic styling, they also share the same premium cab as our flagship X9 combine. It's what we call Deere NA. Highlights include panoramic vision, air-conditioned comfort, and a ventilated seat with its own massage function. A touchscreen entertainment system, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, gives you the freedom to personalize your experience like never before. A radically new digital architecture supercharges data transfer for a more responsive experience. It supports advanced sensors, better engine power management, and the most advanced control system in the history of harvesting technology: predictive ground speed automation. This maximizes the capacity of the combine, delivering reliable harvesting productivity, whatever the conditions. The high-definition G5 Plus Command Center display adds another dimension to the experience. 35% more usable screen area than previous generations, it is clearer, brighter, and packed with powerful software applications. Harvest settings automation removes the need for constant manual adjustments. Just set your harvest grain loss and quality limits, and the S7 will take care of everything. Powered by our brand new JD14X engines from the X9, the S7 features Harvest Intelligent Power Management. More torque, more stable performance, and better fuel economy. You'll also get unparalleled crop insights with Harvest Lab 3000. Mapping protein, starch, and oil, it will change the way you manage your whole crop production systems. An upgraded residue management system with improved distribution is another example of technology transfer from the X9. Equipped with low-friction XL knives, it's part of a series of energy-saving innovations we call Harvest Motion. Harvest logistics are smoother too. A fast unloading rate and a new adjustable spout ensures rapid, spill-free grain transfer. Groundbreaking predictive harvesting technology, efficient performance, and extraordinary operator comfort. The S7 combines deliver next-level job quality and harvest experience. S7, the new digital combines, harvesting future insights.